Hi, I'm Rob Watt with the Backcountry Discovery Routes. When you're traveling in New Mexico in the New Mexico BDR, you're going to be going through a lot of ranch land. And we have the privilege to be able to go on county roads that go through the middle of these ranches. But one thing that we want to make sure that we do is respect the rancher and the cattle that he has there and how he's making a living. So when you come across a herd of cattle and they're in the road, there's a couple things you want to be aware of. First of all, the calves in the spring, they've never seen a motorcycle. So chances are, and this is 99% of the time, they're going to jump in front of you. Even when they're off to the right of the road and their mother is on the other side, they're going to come running across. So always expect that that calf, no matter where he is going to jump in front of you. Cows, on the other hand, usually will stay where they're at. They kind of figure out what you're doing, and they're going to walk one way or the other to the side of the road. They're used to seeing trucks and sometimes motorcycles, so they're a little more predictable. The calves, absolutely, you never know where they're going to go, so slow down. One thing I've seen guys do when they come up to cattle is start to beep their horn on their motorcycle. That's really not a good idea. The ranchers, they train their cattle to come to them when they're feeding them by blowing their car horn or their truck horn. So when you go up to a cow and you start beeping the horn, chances are they're going to start coming to you instead of getting out of the road. So what I always do and what is recommended by the ranchers is just move up to the cattle slowly, and if you have to stop, they'll move out of the way, or just roll through them slowly and they'll move out of the way, but don't beep your horn. That just brings them back to you. So when you come up to a gate, I always try to make sure that I look to see how the chain is wrapped around the gate or how the latch is on the gate. See how this rancher has his chain down through here? I want to make sure that I put it back exactly like he had it. When you get to a gate and the gate is closed, the cardinal rule is leave the gate as you find it. So if the gate is closed, close the gate back up. If it's open, leave it opened. One other cardinal rule is always stay with the gate. Never leave the gate unattended. So the first guy that comes to the gate opens the gate, lets everyone come through, and then he's the guy that closes it. Or he stays there with the gate until the last guy's through and then he closes it. The main thing is you never know when there's some cattle behind a tree or down in a ditch or whatever, and they all of a sudden come up and you've left the gate open thinking that the other guys are going to close it behind you, and the cattle get out. So always keep the gate attended, leave it as you found it. So when you're traveling through one of these large ranches and you're on a county road, the road is public, but anything on the outside of the road is private. It belongs to the rancher. So please stay on the road. If you need to turn around, do an easy, quick turnaround on the road, but don't go out in his pasture. The ranchers don't appreciate that, and that may run the risk of us losing our privilege to go through the ranch. Lastly, but not least, the New Mexico BDR is probably going to be ridden in the spring and in the early fall, late summer. In the spring, this is calving season. So there's a lot of new calves on the ground, and they're going to be running all over the place. So be looking for the young calves. In the fall, we're talking about shipping and when the ranchers bring the cattle into pens. So what you want to make sure that if you see a rancher that's got a large herd and they're trying to move them, stop your bike, look to see what the rancher's doing, and he'll usually indicate to you what he needs done. So stop, let them move the cattle through, or if he waves you on, then move slowly through the cattle, but don't just go charging into a herd of cattle that the rancher is trying to push across to his pen. So just respect the ranch that you're going through, and we'll all have plenty of routes to ride in the future. And so enjoy New Mexico.